Well, it's a nice and early start for us this morning as we are going to pick up a bus, take us into Bridgetown, and we're going to take one of the catamarans and sail up the Platinum Coast or the west coast of Barbados. Let's go and see the turtles. So we've just been picked up, 20 past 8, heading down to Bridgetown. Driver nearly took out a chicken then. Just heading towards Highway 7. There's Bridgetown Bridge, which the capital's named after. Let's come to the historic port side. The army officers. Well, it took us 45 minutes to get down here with the traffic this morning, but we're safely on board. We signed our lives away and we're off into the Caribbean Sea. What the hell? I think there's some flying fish there. Kennington Oval behind us as we sail into the Caribbean. Travel show, go all around the world doing vlogs, so you'll be famous. Banana, coconut, banana. second one. Right, I'm going to film you now. So we just pulled up outside Sandy Lane, and we're gonna, the brave souls are gonna have a little dip and have a look at the turtles.
Wine now, that lady.
That lady's got a wine.
Yeah.
By the way, folks, I've just spilt some wine. Guess where I was sitting? In all fairness, the wind blew it over. Got a couple of scousers on the boat.
Here you are, champ.
Come man, look at that.
Yes, lovely. What can I get you?
What's it? Saw the barman a joke.
Oh, she said, we don't do them, though. They do them in a restaurant, mate. He said, it's my goldfish's birthday on Tuesday. He said, I wanted to buy her a cake.
That's John Parry stealing me material. Hey, what's it? It's the goldfish's birthday.
You're going to get in trouble. Big.
Kelly and Terry Travels alcoholic show. Sorry, don't stop it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Celebrating the guys on the boat's birthdays.
No anniversary.
Yes.
Betty.
We like to be engaged.
No one had a divorce.
Any free women?
Look, don't.
Yeah. At the end of the boat trip, 10.
You want to meet your woman? You better watch your mouth.
Any woman, actually.
You better watch your mouth. I'm not on that one.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Mark.
Happy birthday to you.
Carrot.
This is all going on YouTube.
This pretty station, girl. I'm telling you. Don't take on
So we're just coming into back into Bridgetown. No one knows where the shoes are. Look at this. No one's got shoes.
It's 48. It's 48 on the bottom of your feet.
That's what I'm doing.
There's a market in Barbados has made about 72 quid from new shoes today. We drank far too much rum. We met some lovely people. We met Suzanne. We met Suzanne. Suzanne, can you wave to the camera?
Wave to the camera.
We've met this lovely couple from Wales here. They're from Wales. We've met Fathead Productions over there.
Fathead.
Fathead!
Fathead.
Fathead! Wave to the camera!
Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera.
We've got a group from Jersey. Now let me introduce you to the bad crowd. The camera's shaking because I'm laughing. Now, unfortunately, Mark's flying back to Canada tomorrow, and I'm sure he will be as sober as a judge when he gets back on that bus. Do you understand what he's saying? Sorry for the shake. We've literally just cut everyone on YouTube. We've just come off the bus. We've had an amazing time. I'm gonna switch on to reverse. We've had, hang on, let's show you that way round. Let's have everyone upside down. So we've got lovely people from Devon. Well, I say lovely. I say lovely with a loose terminology.
Lovely friends back there.
Actually, this more interesting up here, isn't it? He's the craziest driver I've ever met. Every time I think he brakes, he's gonna smash into someone. He's just, you know, you're looking at me. Thank God I didn't have it on the other camera.